Alright guys, this is going to be the official sound test of my Lowell 810 ceiling speaker. And the amplifier that I'm going to be using to test it is my 1963 Bogan CHS 35 that came out of my church. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get to it. And I'm going to have to hold the speaker here because the back can, the screws are rattling like crazy now.
There's every good reason for letting you go. She's sneaky and smoked out and starting to show. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you turn around your back on each other. It's a good idea. Make a promise to your mother. Turn around your back on each other. You say that I've changed. Well, maybe I did. But even if I changed, what's wrong with it? I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you turn around your back on each other. That's a good idea. Break a promise to your mother. Turn around your back on each other.
This thing has a really deep bass. Lowell has been making speakers with good bass for a while. That's one thing that they've never changed about their speakers.
If there's a reason, it's lost on me. Maybe we'll be friends. I guess we'll see. I'll never let you go. 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 Around your back on each other.
It's a good idea, break a promise to your mother. Turn around, let's turn on each other. Good idea, break a promise to your mother. Turn around, get back on each other. It's a good idea, break a promise to your mother. Turn around, get back on each other. What a good idea. I remember the stupid things, the blue rings, the bracelets and the beads. The times, yours and mine. You cash in all your dreams. You don't think to me, no goodbye, goodbye. But I still feel you pulsing like sonar for the days and the waves. That girl's like a sunburn. I would like to say, the girl's like a sunburn. I would like to say, she's like a sunburn. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. She's like a sunburn.
I'll never let you go.
Alright guys, thanks for watching.